Hello students, welcome on my video. In previous lecture we discussed about formula for 5 marker sum. Okay, so in this lecture let we started 5 marker sums in this method. So first of all we have x and y variable. So first of all ये जो वेरिएबल्स है उसकी वैल्यूज कैसे है स्टूडेंट्स, स्मॉल और लार्ज. सो हियर वी यूज्ड formula of correlation is sigma x minus x bar into sigma y minus y bar upon under root sigma x minus x bar whole square minus under root sigma y minus y bar whole square. Okay, so first of all we find this all column for this formula. So first one is our x minus x bar column. Second one is y minus y bar column. Third one is x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Then last one is x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. So students, first of all why we find this first two columns, because हमें कौन सी वैल्यूज चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स, सिग्मा एक्स माइनस एक्स बार इंटू वाई माइनस वाई बार. सो ये कॉलम तो हमने प्रिपेयर कर दिया. सो इसके लिए हमें एक्स माइनस एक्स बार की वैल्यूज चाहिए और वाई माइनस वाई बार की वैल्यू हमें रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. सो हम लोग फर्स्ट क्या फाइंड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, एक्स बार एंड वाई बार, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एक्स बार एंड वाई बार we can find this both formula, and on the basis of this both formula we find this third formula. Okay students, so let we started our sum. So first of all we find the value of x bar and y bar. Okay, so first of all sigma x, so total number of variable x is 231. आप सब इसका टोटल करोगे तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, 231. देन टोटल ऑफ y वेरिएबल इज सिग्मा y इज इक्वल टू 504. total of this column is 504. So on the basis of sigma x and sigma y we can easily find out the x bar and y bar. So x bar is equal to sigma x is 231 and n means number of observations. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means our n is 7. So after division we get answer of x bar is 33. Okay, and now we find the y bar. So y bar is equal to sigma y 504 divided by 7, that means after division we get answer of y bar is 72. Okay, on the basis of x bar and y bar we can easily find out the third column and fourth column. So let we started. So before started here we put the value of x bar is equal to 33 and value of y bar is equal to 72. So we can easily find out this column. So first one is 25. X means 25 minus 33. So our answer is minus 8. Then 38 minus 33, that means 5. 30 minus 33, so minus 3. 28 minus 33, so minus 5. 34 minus 33, that means 1. 40 minus 33, so 7. 36 minus 33, that means 3. Okay students, get it how to find x minus x bar column. Okay, now we can find y minus y bar column. So 65 minus 72, that means minus 7. 75 minus 72, that means 3. 68 minus 72, that means minus 4. 70 minus 72, that means minus 2. 72 minus 72, that means 0. 79 minus 72, that means 7. 75 minus 72, that means 3. Okay students, so I hope you all are understood how to find x minus x bar column and y minus y bar column. So on the basis of, we can easily find out these remaining 3 columns. Okay, so how to find this column x minus x bar into y minus y bar means multiplication of both column x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So minus 8 multiplied by minus 7, that means 56. 5 multiplied by 3, that means 15. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, that means 12. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 2, that means 10. 1 multiplied by 0, so 0. 7 multiplied by 7, that means 49. 3 multiplied by 3, that means 9. Okay students, and now find the remaining 2 columns. So x minus x bar whole square, that means minus 8 का होल स्क्वायर कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स? 64. 5 का होल स्क्वायर 25. माइनस 3 का होल स्क्वायर 9. माइनस 5 25. 1 का 1 7. 49 and 3 का 9. Okay, so are you get it students how to find this कॉलम x माइनस एक्स बार होल स्क्वायर? जितने भी वैल्यूज है वो सबका हमें क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स? स्क्वायर्स करने हैं. मीन्स माइनस 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 8, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. क्लियर? देन लास्ट कॉलम y माइनस वाई बार. सो माइनस 7 होल स्क्वायर 49. 3 होल स्क्वायर 9. माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर 16. माइनस 2, दैट मीन्स 4. 0 0 7 49 and 3 is 9. Okay students, so I hope you all are understood how to find these all columns. Okay, then now we do addition of this both column. Okay, so let we started. So total of x minus x bar column is 0. Then total of y minus y bar column is again 0. Then total of this column is 5 1 5. Okay, that means 151. Then total of this column x minus x bar whole square is 182. Then y minus y bar means 136. So it's denoted by sigma y minus y bar whole square. This column is denoted by sigma x minus x bar whole square, and it's denoted by sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay, so this both all values we put in this formula. So here r is equal to, what is the value of sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar? So 151 divided by under root sigma x minus x bar whole square 182 multiplied by under root y minus y bar whole square 136. Okay students, so I hope you all are understood. So after removing this root and multiplication of this both values, we get answer of denominator is 157.3333. Okay, then after dividation we get answer of r is 0.958. that means 0.96. ओके, ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर हो गया. r इज इक्वल टू 0.6 एंड दिस आंसर इज ऑल्सो बिटवीन -1 to +1। ओके, हमारा आंसर क्या होना चाहिए, -1 और +1 के बिटवीन में, और ये जो आंसर है वो भी हमारा क्या है, -1 और +1 के बिटवीन का ही है। सो आई होप you all are understood how to find this table and how to find linear correlation between two variables x and y. So please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay, let me do another sum for similar method, and again in this sum we have value of variable x and y are large again. सो यहाँ पे क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन हमारे पास क्या है कि ये x और y वेरिएबल्स है, उसकी वैल्यूज़ क्या है हमारे पास, लार्ज है. सो हियर अगेन वी कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला फॉर कोरिलेशन सिग्मा x माइनस एक्स बार इंटू वाई माइनस वाई बार अपॉन अंडर रूट सिग्मा x माइनस एक्स बार होल स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय अंडर रूट सिग्मा y माइनस वाई बार होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड द वैल्यू, we all are find the x bar and y bar. So find the x bar and y bar, we require value of sigma x and sigma y. So please do the total of variable x is 414 and sigma y is 540. It's our sigma x and it's our sigma y. Okay students, so on the basis of this total sigma x and sigma y we can find the x bar and y bar. So sigma x is our 414 and n is number of observations 1 2 3 4 5 6, so divided by 6, and here sigma y is 540 divided by 6. That means after dividation we get answer of x bar is 69 and after dividation we get answer of y bar is 90. Okay students, so on the basis of this both value we can easily find out the third column and fourth column. So first of all we note down the x bar value here 69 and y bar's value is our 90. Okay, so again how to find x minus x bar column, so 65 minus 69 that means -4, 72 minus 69 that means 3, 66 minus 63 that means -3, 70 minus 69 that means 1, 72 minus 69 that means 3, 69 minus 69 that means 0. Okay students, and now we find the y minus y bar value. So 90 minus 90 that means 0, 95 minus 90 that means 5, 88 minus 90 that means -2, 92 minus 90 that means 2, 85 minus 90 that means -5, 90 minus 90, so again 0. Okay students, how to find x minus x bar and y minus y bar column, are you get it? Okay, so on the basis of this both column we can easily find out this column x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay, so let we started find this column. So -4 multiplied by 0 that means 0, 3 multiplied by 5 that means 15, -3 multiplied by -2 that means 6, sorry +6, 1 multiplied by 2 that means 2, 3 multiplied by -5 that means -15, 0 multiplied by 0 so 0. Okay, so now we find the remaining two columns, x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square. So -4's whole square is 16, 3's whole square is 9, -3 again 9, 1 that means 1, 3, 9 and 0, 0. Clear? Then now we find the y minus y bar whole square column. So 0's whole square is 0, 5's whole square is 25, -2's whole square is 4, 2's whole square is 4, -5 whole square is 25 and 0 का 0. Clear students? So on the basis of x bar and y bar's value we can easily find out these all table. Okay, so now we do the addition of these last three columns. So please do the addition of x minus x bar into y minus y bar column. So our answer is 8 and it's denoted by sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Then x minus x bar whole square, total of this column is 44. It's denoted by sigma x minus x bar whole square, and total of this last column is 58. So it's denoted by sigma y minus y bar whole square. Okay, so now we put the all values in this formula. So sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar is our 8 upon under root sigma x minus x bar whole square is 44 multiplied by under root sigma y minus y bar whole square value is 58. So after removing this root and multiplication of this both value, we get answer is 50.5183. okay, so after division we get answer of linear correlation is 0.1584, that means 0.16. clear? So again this answer is between -1 less than or equal to +1. so our answer is right. clear? ये जो हमारा आंसर है स्टूडेंट्स वो भी क्या है, -1 और +1 के बिटवीन का ही है, 0.16. okay, so here we can say that this our answer is right. okay, so I hope you all are understood. So please note down this all sum in your notebook. clear? So in next lecture we will discuss your second formula of this method if values of variable x and y are small. okay, thank you.